Namaskar, good morning everybody. Miss Certified Yoga Teacher Shiva Pokharel, my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga postures. That name is Yoga for Balancing Yoga Posture, especially for beginners. All these asanas plays a vital role to improve our balancing or to increase our Gyan Bhav. If we can stay for a long time balancing yoga posture, we improve our confidence level, we can concentration over one thing, and we can increase our physical, mental and spiritual health. Therefore, all the yogasana are very important in our daily routine. First and foremost important yoga posture for balancing yoga posture is Ek Padasana or tree pose. Erect your spinal cord, chin parallel to the ground, watch on the constant place, chest on normal counter, navel tuck in, tailbone tuck in, feet is together and feet is parallel to each other. From here, exhaling at the place, inhaling and exhaling, 1, 2, 3, and bring your right foot on the left inner thigh, toe pointing down. And when you feel balance, and slowly bring your both hand near to the sternum, Namaskara Mudra. This is called Ek Padasana. And watch on the constant place. Balance is very primary. Slowly, if you feel relaxed, you can erect your spinal cord and make your Anjali Mudra above the head. Stay in this posture for a few moments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhaling, come on the center. Again, other side, exhaling. Same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come on the center. And second yoga posture for balancing is Garuda Asana. Keep your feet together. Samasthiti Asana. Keep your hand behind the body or besides the body. From here, bring your hand on the shoulder level, palm facing down. Inhaling at the place, exhaling, roll your leg on the left leg and roll your hand as well and make Namaskara Mudra. Please hook your right leg on the left calf muscles and erect your spinal cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhaling, come on the center, and again exhaling, roll your other leg and other hand and balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can stay for 2 minutes as well. Then third yogasana for balancing posture is keep your feet 2 feet, 1 feet apart, feet parallel to each other, and we are going to do palm tree pose. Exhaling on the place, inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Raise your arm and heel together, and somebody is pulling from the sky, and erect your spinal cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, 1, 2, 3. Then you can do other variation as well. inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3. Then you can do other yoga asana for balancing is Utkata asana. Keep your feet 1 feet apart. From here, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, and hold 2 3 4 5 6, exhaling 1 2 3. This is also Utkata asana is also very good to balance our body. Therefore, you can include this yoga asana very easily. Then other yoga asana for balancing yoga posture is Hasta Padang Bhustasana. Keep your feet together. Inhaling at the place, exhaling, bring your 1 2 3 and erect your leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and inhaling 1 2 3, again other leg 1 2 3, and erect your leg and try to balance your body. 1 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3. You can do simple version as well. Inhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, hold 2 3 4 5 6, inhaling 1 2 3. Again I am going to show the Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana. From here, bring your right leg on the outer thigh of left leg and slowly catch your opposite hand. Slowly inhale, exhaling 1 2 3, and balancing your body. 1 2 3 4 5 6, again inhaling 1 2 3, and change your leg. Again do. This is a very good yoga asana for balancing posture. Again inhaling 1 2 3, and release the posture. Other yoga asana for balancing yoga posture is Natarajana asana. Bring your right leg up and try to catch your leg and try to balance your body. One, two, anyway, you can totally force your right leg, balance here. If you are not able to do, you can support your wall, and from here make your mudra, Gyan mudra or Chin mudra on the other hand. Slowly, firmly press your right leg. Again balance. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again come on the center. There are numerous yoga asanas for balancing pose. You can do Ardha Chandra Asana. You can do others. There are numerous yoga asanas for balancing posture. Today's video is totally focused on beginners. Therefore, all these yoga asana plays a vital role to improve your balancing your body. Therefore, if you are a newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like on my video, comment on the comment box. I will respond as soon as possible. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleague and loved one, you can share this video. And I am going to finish this yoga session with Santri mantra. Bring your palm near to the sternum, close your eye from here. Inhaling Om Astoma Sadagamaya Tamsoma Jyotiragamaya Mriturma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for your dedication, sadhana and sankalpa. Inhaling, rub your palm, make your palm heat, and keep your heat palm on the eye. Please blink your eye and gaze on the one place on the palm, and slowly slide down your hand and namaskaram. Bye bye yogis.